Hey, we are in Audi A7 with MMI Navigation Plus system. This is MIB2 based infotainment system, and I'm going to show you how to update navigation maps over here for free. So first thing that we want to do is confirm that we have the MIB2 based system. So to do this, let's go to menu. Let's select setup MMI. So this is upper right. Let's scroll down to version information. And over here we can see that we have MHI2. This means that this is MIB2 high system. And over here we can also see that we have the installed navigation database version over here, and we have an update pending which was released half a year later on. We also need to check if we have the proper license code over here. To do this, we need to enter the hidden red menu. You need to press and hold back and top left button, if I recall correctly. Hold them for about 5 seconds, and after that you should be over here in this hidden red engineering menu. Let's look for the codes. No, not here. Let's go to system. Let's go to activation keys, and over here we have this key, which is for MIB2 based high system for the European region with lifetime license. So I believe we can install the update over here without any issues. Well, we still need to download those maps, so you can go to the MIBhelper.com website, enter your train version. This is it, and it will give you all options for the maps that are available for your system, and those can be downloaded for free from Volkswagen or Audi servers. Those links are on this website, and once you download them, just extract them and copy them to the SD card. And I have the SD card over here. Just don't copy the package, the compressed package. You need to extract it on your hard drive and then copy the content to the root directory of the SD card. So right now, let's press and hold this combination once again to exit the red menu. Oh, I'm getting cold over here. And right now, let's insert the card with maps to SD1 and go to setup MMI once again, scroll down, but this time to system update, and we have SD1 available to be used for the navigation maps update. Let's give it a few seconds to validate the data on the memory card, and we should be able to trigger the update. I have the engine turned on over here, since this procedure will take about 40 minutes or so, so we don't want to interrupt the process by bringing the voltage down. You can use external power supply, or you can just keep the engine running to make sure that the power will not drop. Okay, so we have new version. We can select cancel or start update. So let's select start update, and it will be performed in the background. Over here in the lower left corner you have this icon which shows you that files are copied to the vehicle's memory, and over here, if you once again enter system update, you will have the progress bar. We are at 1% right now, and as I said, this will take about 40 minutes or so, maybe a little bit less. This depends on how big is the update. For Europe, it's about 30 gigabytes of maps, and how fast is your SD card. So right now, all we have to do is wait. So let's wait. And the update is nearly done. We are at 100%. It took about 40 minutes, as I said. So right now we are waiting for the remaining 1%. So let's give it a few more seconds and we should be good to go. We are done. So the update was successful. We can press OK to confirm. And right now, when we go to version information, we can see that we have updated maps. And if we go to details, we have all the list of all the countries that states that the navigation database is up to date. Okay, so right now we can just remove this card, and that's it.